Hello, Scorpio. This is the Empress D, and I'm here to do your reading for June of 2019. Scorpio, take a deep breath, darling. Take a deep breath. So, see what the universe and my spirit and guardian angels have for you today. Scorpio, in the month of June, you kind of feel a little tired. Um, Not a little tired, like pretty exhausted. Um, Ready for more, but don't know if you can handle it. Um, Expect some news from a financial outlet in the month of June. You've taken on so much already, you know, and you're in this energy of you feel like you went backwards instead of forwards with all the efforts that you've put in. But do not lose hope. Scorpio, do not lose hope on me. There's going to be a message coming through for you, for real. With the pages present like this, there's going to be a message coming through that you're going to have an idea that's going to bring you financial increase. Okay? You're going to have an idea or take an action. You're going to have an idea, take an action, take on a new client, take on a new business venture, take on something that you've been wanting to do that you haven't done. Anything that's related to increase in abundance. You're going to see those rewards this month. Let me see. You got the Death card. And you got the Seven of Wands. Okay, Scorpio. So I have like energy when I look at these cards of you're tired. Once again, so you know, I like to recap. You're tired. You feel like you're not moving forward. There needs to be a complete and utter transformation for you this month, because are you going to continue like to keep defending yourself? You know what I'm saying? You're letting you're letting immature energy occupy too much time in your mind. I feel, because you feel like you always need to defend yourself, like everybody's out to get you, like everybody's talking about you, like everybody's doing this, like everybody's doing that, but you're making your own self tired. Abundance angels, can you please come through and give messages to the sign of Scorpio for the month of June of 2019 to clear out this energy of feeling, you know, attacked, tired of feeling attacked by people that you feel are less. I mean, nobody's less than nobody. But I gotta say what I gotta say. There's some people that are attacking you that are less than you. And I'm not saying less than you in value, but I'm saying they're not up to speed with you. So this immature energy drags you into this state of you having to defend yourself from something that's not even greater than you. I'm sorry, Scorpio. I'm just saying. Transformation, transformation, transformation. Spending time in nature helps shift you to a higher vibration and remind you that God's infinite abundance. Go outside and enjoy a walk or a hike with your pet. Meditate, breathe, meditate under a tree, a garden, sit under the stars, do something, another activity to connect with the limitless vastness of the universe. Nurture yourself in nature, please, because you ain't seeing nature. He's on the pure motherfucking concrete. Okay? You ain't looking at nature. You just worried about all this luggage that you have to carry, all this shit that you've planted, that you've helped grow. You're tired. You feel like, can you take it some more? How much more? Why does it feel like I'm going backwards instead of forward? Because a transformation must take place. Okay? A transformation. Your direction needs to be redirected. Okay? And the angels are saying that by spending time in nature, maybe you could gain some clarity. Because the answers, I don't really give people the answers. I give people clarity and guidance. Okay? Because the answers are only and solely within you. That's a bullshit if somebody tells you, oh yeah, I can tell you the answers to everything. No. It's not true. Every single individual is completely designed in a different way. Only you know what's good for you. Only you know what makes you tick, what makes you happy, what makes you upset, what makes you feel abundant. You know. And the angels are telling you, you need to go spend time by yourself. You need to evaluate this frame of thinking because a change needs to happen, and it needs to happen quickly. God is your source. Everything you need is supplied by the infinite source of God, and your faith opens the doorways to receive. In God there is no lack or limitation. Rather, there is plenty of abundance for all to share. Abundant mindset. If you think of your abundance as something that happens in the future, then it will always be one day away from you. See, feel, think, and speak of abundance as something you already have in the present moment, and this is what you will experience. So Scorpio, okay, you're focusing on what's not good. You're focusing on what you're tired of. You're focusing on what people do to you. You're focusing on what people saying about you. You're focusing on the wrong thing. The universe brought message to spend time in nature, give your worries to God, and pray to Him, and think abundantly. With these 3 things that you can do, you can create this transformation. Because if we do not seek God, we can't find Him. We have to seek Him. And nature is His creation. So please, Scorpio, for the month of June, I want you to connect with God. I want you to pray. Open a Bible if you have one. Okay? Because you need to create this transformation for yourself. I can't wait to see what work you've done for July. Because I'll be back in July to check on you, Scorpio. Okay? We want to go in nature. We want to pray. We want to talk to God, ask the universe, enlighten me, free these burdens off of me, give me clarity, and if you have a specific unique situation that it resonates a little bit with this, but not as much, hit me up for a personal reading, Scorpio. I'll be happy to dig in personally, just especially for you. Please like my video if you're feeling the vibes. Share the video with a fellow Scorpion that might need to hear these messages, because you never know. Some people, sometimes they need to hear messages and you don't know what it is. You guys have an amazing month of June. Happy praying, happy abundant mindset thinking, and happy nature walks and nature strolls, okay? I love you guys. Enjoy your month, and I'll see you next month. Bye.